everyone. In this video, we will cover the routing among different views and how the screen will change when different views are selected. To implement routing, you first need to install React Router DOM. So let's go to Visual Studio and install the React Router DOM. For that, command is npm install space save space react-router-dom. Click enter. It will download all the required packages for routing. Once installation is complete, create a folder named views under src. In this folder, add 3 views. Let's say about.js, home.js, and third one, contact.js. So all the 3 views are created. Let's add a sample piece of code in all the 3 views. Let's add a piece of code in about.js2. As you could see, we have just added so we have added simple code in all 3 of them. Now our views are created. Let's learn how to link them in app.js file. Go to app.js file. Before linking these views, you need to import all of them and React Router DOM in app.js. So let's first import React Router DOM in app.js file. Next, need to import all the 3 views named as about. Same way as we have imported the components in previous video. You can find the folder views and all the 3 views which we have created. For about, let's import the about view, and for in same way for the other one, for home, import from the source home. Third one for contact, alright, so all the 3 views of us are imported. Now let's add a link for all these views by writing a small piece of code. For this we will be adding a router tag. For now we can remove this text hello which we have added. Between header and footer we need to add a router link in which we will be adding a UL and all the links for the views. So now let's start the npm and see how our page will look after adding all the links for about, home and contact. So you can find all the links are available as we have added home, about and contact. As you can notice, all these links are available, but no text is changing on the screen except the change in the header. We can find about and contact. However, no content is changing on the page. So now let's learn how to link, how to route once we are clicking on these links. Go back to the Visual Studio Code and add a code for switching once we click on these links. Just make sure that these all changes needs to be done in the router tag. So we have added a piece of code. When we click on home, we will be redirected to the home view. Same way, when we click on the about, we will be routing back to the about view. For contact, we will be routing to the contact. Let's save the changes and go back to the browser. So as you can see, when I click on home, we can see the text as we have written in the home view, home screen. Same with about a screen, and contact a screen. This completes this video. In the next video, we will learn how to use UI material in the React project. Thanks everyone.